Reddit stock analysis and Reddit stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'll be showing you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space that's done 42,000 videos over 5 years. So, you know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And ultimately speaking, I'm looking to just double down on this like crazy. Because beforehand, I called out this exact movement here, which is very, I mean, it's less relevant from the most recent one. Like this is just 4th of May, you know, and this is, I know, very cursed thumbnail, but this delivered. And then let me show you this whole proof, like this whole swing idea, which I don't know if you can see here. Yeah, this is like such a great swing idea, bro. I don't know if it's the link above or below. We'll check both. Why not? Oh, yeah, it's the Reddit. Yeah, there's always opportunity. Yeah, that's it. You know, looking to take it from 100 to like 130, and guess where we are? 141. So such a great color. Even like this, like a lower time frame swing was delivered. Ultimately, I'm looking to double down, and the only way that I'll do such thing is if I do see it correcting down and giving me a double break. And if not, I guess I'm not buying. Very, very simple. So that's my demand zone here. And if this doesn't pull down and doesn't show me any sort of shift, I am not going to be buying. Very simple. So if you want to learn how to make a 5-10K per one trading, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.